Recently, the lease on my LA apartment ended. I really wanted to avoid traveling during the pandemic at all costs, but I had no choice but to go back and move all my stuff out, pack up, and after that, I headed back to Canada. So I thought it'd be interesting to bring you guys along this journey of my government-mandated quarantine in a hotel. Together we can see what kind of food they gave me, what I did to pass the time, what the hotel was like. So yeah, welcome to my quarantine adventure. Alright guys, I have just arrived at the hotel. Let me give you a little tour. Okay, so this is the door that I came in. We got a little mirror here. I just put my suitcases here. And then we have this hallway, pretty bougie with these lamps. Some nice curtains and a window here. And then we go into the room. Here's another little corridor. First we have the bathroom. Hello? This is what I want my home bathroom to look like. They got these fancy lights, like. And then we got a shower, but like, I kind of don't understand why there's no other side of the door. Whatever, got a nice little toilet. This is how you check if they're bougie or not. L'Occitane, is that how you pronounce it? I feel like that's a bougie brand. Okay, let's see the room. I guess it's like decorated pretty nice. I really like these windows. Boom! So pretty cool view, I guess. Here's my bed. I believe it's a king size. And I really like this wall. Oh, never mind, it's just wallpaper. I thought it was like legit, like sculpted. That's our little room tour. I wanted to see if they had a robe because I wanted to see if I could live the bougie life. I'm so tired. I just wanted to talk about what the frick is going on. I don't know if you guys saw my previous video where I moved out of my LA apartment. I'm back in Canada and I have to quarantine. The process is like kind of convoluted and like kind of doesn't make sense sometimes, but I get it. It's all for the safety of everyone. Here's what happened. Got tested. Oh my god. Wait, this no, you know what? It's fine. Like, I'm not like salty. Well, you be the judge of that. Before you fly back to Canada, you have to take a COVID test and you have to take it within 72 hours of your flight. I had originally booked a flight for the 8th. I took my test on the 6th, and when I took it in Canada, it took less than a day to arrive. So I thought it'd be the same thing. I was like, okay, yeah, like it's gonna be fine. It's the night before and I'm like, maybe it won't be fine. I was starting to freak out. I called my parents. I was like, what do I do? I'm like crying to them. They're like, okay, chill. Call Air Canada, see if you can change your flight. The other thing is when I come back to Canada, I have to quarantine in a hotel for 3 nights. So I changed my flights, had to pay extra for that change, changed all my reservations, lost money, but we're good. No. I have to take another COVID test because my new flight is 2 days later, and so my first COVID test won't be valid because it's not within freaking 72 hours. I take another one the next day. Wait for it. It is the night before again! No result. So I'm like, okay, what do I do? Go take another test. And this time I took one that's like 3 to 5 hours so that it'll actually arrive in time. But this one I have to pay like $125 for. More money lost. But you know what? It's for the safety of everyone. So I'm like, you know what, it's fine. Later on that night, I finally get my result that I'm negative. It's this morning. I go to the airport, board my flight, everything goes smoothly. Oh, actually, at security, I got held up. They like needed to inspect my bag because I had a burrito in it because it was wrapped in tinfoil, so they might have thought it was like a bomb or something. They're like, what's in here? I was like, oh, it might be my burrito. They're like, oh, yeah. Here you go. Board my flight, whatever, knocked out on the whole flight. I arrive here. So I had to get tested at the airport here again. I guess because you can still contract it, like on the plane or something. And basically you have to quarantine in a hotel for 3 days to wait for your result. Here's the thing, like I paid $1,200 for 3 nights and that's like the cheapest option. Oh, and I still have to take another COVID test 8 days later when I quarantine back home. You have to take 3 mandatory tests, but I'm gonna take 5 because it's literally like Anyway, I also got my second COVID test result a couple hours ago, and now I have 3 negative tests. That's the sitch. Welcome to quarantine with me. Thankfully, it's a pretty nice hotel. They actually just brought lunch. Should we check out what kind of food we're in for the next couple days? Okay, we got a salad. I think it's noodles with like veggies in there. I think these are spring rolls. We got a Dr. Pepper. I literally don't recall if I've ever had one before. I don't really drink pop, or as you Americans or other people or weird people like to call soda. We got an apple. And then we just have Thai sweet chili sauce and water. I'm not that hungry right now, so I'm gonna wait a bit to eat. I'm just gonna chill for a while. Besties, besties, besties. Look what I just found. Hello? Oh, I guess you guys know where I am now. Come visit me. Anyway, I found the robes, so we're gonna be taking a shower. I mean, I would take a shower regardless if there was a robe or not, to be clear. I really like this bathroom. My sister just texted me this is perfect for like those get ready with me videos, like those Vogue ones. Hey guys, I just woke up and I like to brush my teeth and my tongue to get rid of my morning breath. And I like to pee in the morning. And if it's yellow, I will make sure to drink more water. Will I? What was the purpose of this video? Okay, I decided since I am paying way too much money for this hotel, I want to take full advantage of all the amenities. So I'm gonna be making myself a coffee. I don't know how to use this machine. The machine is called Illy. Like Illy, like, let me like Illy. But it's with 2 L's, so. Not as quirky, I guess. User guide, fill water tank. Wait, okay. Intenso bold roast coffee. Is that just coffee? I'm really confused. Do I like ask for milk or like what is the deal? I mean, you can drink coffee without milk, right? I'm also kind of lactose intolerant. Make sure the water, I've read this sentence like 5 times. Do I get a cup and fill it? BRB. Oh, you know what I do miss though? Vancouver tap water. So good. Oh. So if I'm only making a cup, do I need to fill it up to the top? Okay. Okay. Cool. Turn on machine. Hey Siri, turn on. I'm just kidding, Siri, don't turn on. Are you on? Insert the caps. Whoa. I hope this is how you do it. Close. Why doesn't it close? Am I doing this wrong? Oh, there we go. Coffee. Oh, wait, that's fast? Is that it? I'm really confused because that's not a full cup. Do I keep going? I'm just gonna make more. Okay, so I finished brewing, kind of. It just kept pouring water, so I think it's finished. Coffee enhancer. What does that mean? Okay, let me read the ingredients. First ingredient is sugars. So then what's this? This is raw sugar, and then we have sugar. I don't understand. I'm gonna just put stuff in until it tastes good, because there's absolutely no way. It's like fine. I don't know what exactly I'm supposed to be tasting right now, but I don't think this is it. I mean, I'll drink it. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna try to watch some TV because I don't have cable at home. Sportsnet, hockey? Did you guys know that I love hockey? Stereotypically Canadian thing about me, but it's just so fun to watch. I wish more people would like hockey. Is there a game on tonight? Wait, I just got so excited. Please give me a game tonight. There's a game tonight at 5 p.m. Oh, we're definitely losing though, but I cannot wait. Wait, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see if they actually have it. Please. I think I'm gonna eat my salad. Hi guys, I am now on FaceTime with my roommate. It's so funny because we both had a lot of like shit going on right before I left. And the second that I left, everything went right. Like, I left and I got this nice hotel, so I'm not freaking out as much. And my roommate got his new apartment. All these things are falling into place. I'm about to eat my ramen salad. You know what I kind of want to listen to? It's Every Day, Bro, with the Disney Channel flow for 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months, never done before. Yo, it's Tessa Brooks.
The competition shook. These guys are phony. I got him with the hook.
I really hope they don't copyright me for that.
You say it at least, you probably said it 30 times in this video by now.
They increased by like 10 million streams because of me. My arms hurt.
From that?
Bro, I'm so out of shape.
From shaking a bowl, your arms are so
Whoa, what is this judgment?
You gotta give a rating like Food Ranger.
Oh, okay. My new favorite YouTuber is Food Ranger. You guys need to go search him up if you don't know him. He's literally like the most positive, radiant, and like full of life guy ever, and he goes around the world and like tries food from everywhere, and I literally love his channel. Okay, anyway. Taste test, quarantine food, meal 1. It's actually not like that bad. If I paid, I mean, I guess I did pay for this, but if I paid for this at a restaurant, I would be fine with it.
There's no meat in there. That's the downside.
Oh, wait, what? Wait, I literally told them that I'm non-vegetarian.
Call the front desk. Hey, bestie. There's no chicken in my ramen.
They're like, do you have a question?
Is there anything I can actually help you with?
Like, no. I just wanted to say, I don't have any chicken. Have a good day. Guys, guess what I'm doing? Yeah. You literally have no idea how excited I am right now. And we are winning, which is so rare. I am so happy right now. No. Okay. 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 I'm embarrassed by how excited I got. No, you know what? I'm a passionate gal. Oh my god. I need a second to breathe. KK Queens, it is time for our shower time. Excuse me? Excuse me? I actually don't know where I was going with that bit. I'm going to shower in this one paned shower. I'm just worried about like heat retention. Like, how is it gonna I want to be famous. I genuinely, wholeheartedly enjoyed that a lot. And now I'm in my robe and I feel like I'm in one of those Vogue videos now, and I absolutely love it. Pros and cons of a one pane shower. Pros, cheaper for them to install. Now on to the cons. Heat retention is just not there. Whoever made this hotel, if you're watching this, maybe consider adding another pane of glass. IDK. The water like comes out of the side, so I just don't understand the purpose. But overall, I'm very satisfied and I feel so clean and happy. I understand why rich people like being rich. It's kind of nice or whatever. Dinner is here. I'm actually really hungry now because that salad was not a lot of food. Garlic bread. Funsies. Oh. That's fine. Okay, we got some warm food. It looks decent. Wait, we do have some chicken. Oh my god, we have protein. One more, what? Oh my god. Ah! Offside. Wait. What? Sorry. Just got distracted. We have some Pringles. Oh, yay! We get a chocolate chip cookie, and then we have a bottle of water. Okay, taste test time. That was the longest setup ever. Oh, I didn't even get to sneeze. Okay, let's try this. It's pretty good. Look at this chicken. I think they made a vegetarian version and then they just put chicken on top. Or they heard me earlier complaining that there was no chicken. And they were like, oh, I think she wants chicken. And added chicken. Definitely the first one. Not bad. Oh, they have olives in here. I don't really like olives. And I still don't like them. I think lunch is better, TBH. Not bad though. Although, I don't really have high standards for food. Like, I'll literally eat anything as long as I'm full. I would give it like a 6 out of 10. Like, I still have taste buds. $50 with the pasta right there. Would I pay $50 for this? Absolutely not. It is what Ace loves. I'll try the garlic bread. Six out of 10? All right. Hi, queens. The game finished like an hour ago. We won for once. It's like 8:25 right now, but I'm really tired because I got up at 6 for my flight this morning. I think I might just sleep early, but I always do this thing where I'm like, I'm gonna sleep early because I'm really tired, and then I end up sleeping at like 4 a.m. for no reason. Okay, I have a little bit of work to do, but I think I'm gonna do an early night. Oh, I wish I had like skincare to do. I'm gonna do some laptop work and check in with you in a bit. Welcome back to the bathroom. It is now 10:30. I'm gonna get ready for bed. Let's brush our teeth. Oh, I haven't been able to use a cup to rinse my mouth for the past month because I was like, oh, I'm moving out. I shouldn't buy a cup just for rinsing my mouth, but I literally had mugs and cups. This noggin do be empty. Alright, I just finished putting my Invisalign in and I finished washing my face with Curology cleanser. Literally, Curology saved my skin, and then I stopped using it for like a year because I ran out and I couldn't get it in Canada, and I'm using it sparingly because it's gonna be a while before I'm back in the States. I just want someone to like make me a skincare routine because like I can't be bothered. It's a lot, it's so much work. I'm using this Dr. Dennis Gross Hyaluronic Marine moisturizer thing. It looks pretty, so I was like, okay. I really don't know, like, how can you tell if skincare products are helping you or not? Obviously right now when I put it on, I look glowy and whatever, but like, how do I know if it's actually helping my skin? People are always like, oh my god, this product like instantly made me look better. Like, how do you know though? This actually might be like expired, but I just do not know. It like doesn't say. Avoid contact with eyes. Okay, cool. I am going to head to bed, but just want to give a little recap. I never book like fancy hotels for anything because when I go traveling, like I don't travel to stay in a hotel. So this was like an opportunity for me to like live the luxurious life because I kind of had to, but I really enjoyed my time here. I only spent half a day here, but maybe I'll get really bored tomorrow because it's a full day. We'll see. To be honest, I spend a lot of time by myself in my room at home, so I feel like this should be really easy for me. But anywhoomst, thanks for hanging out with me in bougie quarantine. I hope you guys are all staying safe out there, COVID-free, vaccinated if you can, and just healthy and happy. Bye! See you next time.